Dropshipping is once again emerging as one of the top side hustles after being left for dead by most financial gurus. And in my opinion, TikTok is heavily to thank for that. Finding winning products is the ultimate key to having success as a dropshipper. And in this video, I'm gonna give you more game that they charge you for, all for free. And I'm gonna break down and show you the pro strategy to finding six-figure product. We're gonna identify trends, find products that correlate with those trends, and then take a look at the market. All right, so the first thing they tell you to do when you're looking for trends, when you're looking for products, right? We're gonna look at all the US main holidays, right? So you see Martin Luther King's Day, Washington's birthday, Memorial Juneteenth, 4th of July, all that good stuff. Well, right now we're in July. And so the next holiday that we're gonna look for is Labor Day, right? So we're gonna go over to Google Trends. Google Trends is one of the most powerful tools on the internet, and it's free. So if you're doing any kind of marketing, you're doing anything on the internet to try to grow, to try to chase trends, this is a site that you definitely need to utilize, right? So we're gonna come over here and we're just gonna look at, first of all, let's do 4th of July. Let's do that first, just to show y'all, you know, we're gonna go over the course of the past 5 years. And what you're gonna see here, you're gonna notice a pattern, right? This stuff is just going up. It's going down and going up. It's going down and going up, right? This shows you that, okay, from about, let's say, the end of April all the way up into July, you know, when 4th of July marketing and products start to happen, right? So as far as we said, Labor Day was next. Let's look at Labor Day. And of course, boom, same kind of trend over the last 5 years right now. So about actually today, the week of June 21st, or the week of July 21st is when it starts to ramp itself up, right? So if we were looking for a product, if we were looking for a Labor Day product to drop ship, then we would definitely need to be starting now as far as our marketing efforts and everything like that. So this bridge right here is very important when it comes to like thinking about when you need to start marketing this product, running your ads, and doing all the stuff that you need to do. So we can even take a time like back to school, right? You can kind of see the same thing. There's another spike as far as with Christmas break, but as far as in the summer, you know, okay, July it starts to pick up going into August, and then August is when it's at its peak. So you're basically using this to get ahead of these trends and kind of getting in on the bridge and the arc of these trends. Let's even take a look at Christmas, right? You can kind of see, and even if you could even think at your local Walmart or whatever, when you start to see, you're gonna start to see them even putting out stuff for Christmas or whatever the holiday is around this time. So if you want to find a six-figure product, if you want to not even find a six-figure product but be a six-figure marketer, then these are the kind of tools, this is the kind of stuff that you're going to want to need to know, because like I said, there's a reason why Walmart start putting stuff out mid-September or whatever. Data shows that, hey, consumers start being interested in that around this time every year, right? So definitely use this tool when it comes to picking out a product, right? So what I want to do is I want to show you this in action as far as an actual product and with a trend probably seen before, that I know I've seen before and bought, right? And that's Valentine's Day, right? So we're gonna search Valentine's Day just to see, you know, when those trends start to take place, when that starts to happen, right? So we see from about the top of the year on down, then, you know, Valentine's Day starts to become a trending topic, a trending thing, right? So I'm gonna come over here to another platform, another tool that I really suggest that y'all use, and that's gonna be the TikTok Ads Creative Center, right? We're specifically looking for the top ads dashboard, and I'm gonna put a link to this site if you're not hip to it. All right, so let's say we're gonna do Valentine's Day, right? And this is something that I can 100% testify for. This is an avenue that me personally, you know, with me being married, that I personally shop in, and so this is one that you could for sure scale up. You know, there's always gonna be guys looking for Valentine's gifts for their girls, right? So let's go ahead and try to find a product. All right, hold on, let me show y'all something. All right, so these, you probably can't see them. These are called Galaxy Roses, right? And this last Valentine's Day, bro, I actually got those for my wife. And so I think that's a product. I think I'm gonna go ahead and try to do that product. I'm gonna try to, now there's 3 elements of a good product. That's the profit margin, right? Can we make $20 or more on this product? The wow factor, right? How cool is this product? How much viral potential does it actually have? How much viral content can you create around it? Then the third is if it's a problem solving product or is if it's a trending product. So as far as problem solving, I mostly mean how many people need it? How useful could it be to people's everyday life? Focus on that product, see if we can find a Galaxy Rose. All right, so we're actually gonna come over here to Trusty Dusty AliExpress and we're gonna go ahead and type in Valentine's Day, and it's bringing me these up. It's bringing me all these different products up. And once again, like I said, this is something that I've definitely seen. This is something that I want to kind of target. These kind of roses, these infinity roses, these galaxy roses and everything like that. So we're gonna search AliExpress for Galaxy Rose. All right, and let's even search this on a 24 karat rose because I think I'll be able to more so find them this way. And I don't want them colored, I just want them kind of just the base white color. All right, and like I said, this is the exact box that it came in. We have the different choices here. All right, so now that we just kind of got an idea of how much this thing costs, we're kind of seeing that kind of around the spectrum. We're kind of seeing them go from anywhere from a couple of cents to, you know, $8. And what's ultimately happening is that they're either charging you on the shipping or giving you free shipping. But what it looks like is fair to say is that we can get this product for around $8, right? So now the next phase is we're gonna see the demand on this product, see what people are selling this product for, see how people are marketing this product, right? I'm gonna go ahead and come over to this site, which is where I found these roses that I have for my wife, and this is the dose of roses. All right, so I kind of just want to look at a bouquet. I want to kind of find a bouquet, so we're gonna filter by product type. We want what's the enchanted rose? Okay, that's the enchanted rose. I'm gonna go ahead and look at the enchanted rose, and we see that it's going for about 50 bucks. All right, now just real quick, we want to look at the enchanted rose. All right, and we can kind of see them right here. We can kind of see just off the top, we kind of can get these for about 20 bucks. So we see that so far, without shipping and everything, the margins are, you know, the margins are somewhat, the margins are what we're looking for, right? Because we said we want to make at least 20 bucks on a product like this. So what I want y'all to pay attention to on this site is mostly how they're marketing everything, right? Because we've looked on AliExpress, we've looked on Alibaba, and we see that they pretty much have everything that we see here. They have it, right? But I want you to take a look at their prices, right? They're getting 500 bucks for, let's see how many of these roses, 35 roses. Let's see how much 35 of these roses will cost us just off, you know, just off of this. Let's go to buy now. That will cost us about 250 bucks, right? To deliver this same product, right? Now, of course, they have their branding on it and everything like that, but take a look at this kind of stuff, right? Take a look at the influencers they're using, right? I can't remember who she is, but that's an influencer, obviously. But look at this stuff, right? They've taken these kind of pictures, and just like I'm saying, if you can make good content, if you can make this stuff look a certain type of way, then you can get good profit margins, and you can get guys like me who are trying to get their wife something nice for Valentine's Day. You can definitely sell this type of stuff. Now, what I'm gonna do to make this video easy is I'm gonna focus on this Galaxy Enchanted Rose, the one in the dome. That's the one I'm kind of seeing, and just to teach you more about how you could identify this product and see that this is a 6-figure product, especially around the time when Valentine's Day come, right? So there's a tool that I was taught to use, and it's called SimilarWeb, right? And it kind of just lets you look at, you know, look at traffic, kind of gives you an idea of what's going on as far as with this site. Right now, a general rule in marketing is a 0.2 conversion rate, right? So when you do the math on that for February, then you can kind of see that they made a big bag because of the way they marketed this product, and just because of the way that they got it out. They used ads, they used influencers, they made it look really elegant and girly and classy, and so they really did a good job with a product like this. But as far as learning how to identify products like this, these are tools that you can use to kind of say, hey, this is a good product, right? All right, so now let's talk about how we source this product. All right, now let's go ahead and look for the enchanted rose on AliExpress. All right, and here we go. Here's one, 159 sold. So we know that this one's popular. We know that this one is also trustworthy. All right, so they are getting 50 bucks, and probably we're getting 100 bucks during February for this product. Let's say in a weird world, okay, here we go. I didn't have one picked. All right, and I want to pick this one. I want this one, right? So this one's gonna cost me $9, and then it's gonna cost me $4 to ship it to the United States. But this is one of the biggest problems with drop shipping, right? Is shipping times. And it doesn't appear that they have more options, meaning that you can maybe pay more to get it shipped a little faster, because ultimately, bro, like I said, the rule is that you want to bring home at least $20-$25 on each sale, right? So at about 50 bucks, we can spend about $20 to $25 to get this product. And as far as this, we only have to spend 15, but August 20th, that's a pretty long time out, right? So we're probably going to keep them in our back pocket, but just kind of look around some more, right? So I also found this seller, right? I found this one. Not as many reviews and orders. However, they do have the product and they're more realistically priced, okay? So they're going for about $18, right? And then more shipping options. There's not many more shipping options. You kind of just have to wait and get it on August the 16th, which is better than the 20th, but still there's some other places, some other sellers that we want to look at, and some other sellers, right? So here we go. This one is a top seller on AliExpress, and they've sold 2,000 of these, right? So more than likely, this is who I might want to go with. All right, now let's go ahead and check this out and see. Silver one, that's the one we want right there. This one's going for $13, right? And then boom, let's see our shipping options. All right, so for $27 extra, we could get it to the United States, right? The problem is that, let's see, $13.85, $27.15, that's $41, bro. So that's not really much profit for us. Now, let me tell you when this would have worked. This would have worked in February when they were getting $100 for this product, right? So this is definitely something that, you know, could have been possible and could have been a $1 million product, a six-figure product in that time. And I'm not even gonna say was, but is, right? Because once again, it's all about your marketing. It's all about the way that you sell it, right? Let's just look at them again. Dose of Roses, let's look at them again, right? Look at this stuff. That's that same teddy bear that you see everywhere. Let's look at this teddy bear. That same bear, $8, bro. You see what I'm saying? That same exact bear, $8, but it doesn't look like it's $8 in that living room, pictured with that table with everything on it, right? So marketing is the most important part when it comes to finding a winning product. But we're gonna look at one more place, right? Because AliExpress isn't the only one. We're gonna look at CJ Dropshipping, okay? And we're gonna search for enchanted rose, all right? And then boom, it comes up quick. Flower in glass, enchanted forever. They've got all the different styles. All right, so that product costs $5. The shipping fee is $18, right? So we're almost right at about our threshold. Boom, our total drop shipping price is $26. So I think I could live with that. And the processing time is 1 to 3 days. And the estimated delivery, is 15 to 28 days. Let's see if we could get it down somewhere, right? We can, so we actually can. We can get it down. We can get it down to 8 to 18 days. And we can actually get it down to 8 to 18 days. So that leaves our price right at about $26. Leaves us with enough of a margin to go ahead and get that dose of roses. And what that'll allow us to do is drop ship this product if we wanted to price it to be competitive with places like this. All right, now let's just be sure about this product, right? Let's be sure about this product. Let's go enchanted rose, 24 karat galaxy rose, right? So you kind of see that these correlate with the spikes in Valentine's Day. So you kind of know that, okay, this product is gonna go every single Valentine's Day, right? And we just rinse and repeat. You just rinse and repeat that method for all the different seasons, whether it's Christmas, whether it's the summer's coming up, spring, whatever the case may be. Like in the next episode, the truth is that I'm not a dropshipping expert. I'm learning more about dropshipping. However, I have made money dropshipping. I have made over 20 grand drop shipping my own artwork. So I do know how the process works, and I do know how to get the word out and get it out there. So man, y'all subscribe to me if you want more, man. It's your boy Rico. I'm out. Let's get it.